How do I create a Google ad? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to ad.google.com, then sign into your account. Now in this interface, in order to create a Google ad, you first have to create a campaign. For that, click on the plus icon at the left side and then select campaign. Then over here, you want to enter your business name. Then enter your website. Once that is done, click on the next option. On the next page, you will have to select your objective. Select any of the objectives that are given. Then, according to your objective, Google Ads is going to give you your plan type. Select whichever you want and click on the continue option. Now select a campaign subtype, then click on continue. On this page, you want to enter your campaign name, then create a bid strategy, set up budget and dates. Here you can enter your budget amount, then below you want to enter the start and end date. Once that is done, set up networks and locations. You can also set up languages if you want. Then scroll down and you will find the option of create ad. Since I selected a video campaign, I have the option to create a video ad. In this section, you can add up to 5 videos to improve your campaign performance by using video with different orientations. All you have to do now is search for a video or enter the URL from YouTube. If your video isn't hosted on YouTube, go to YouTube to upload your video. Once the video has been added, you can preview the ad on YouTube. Now you want to fill up other required details such as final URL, long headline and description. Once this is done, you want to scroll all the way down and click on the create campaign option. And with this, you have successfully created a Google ad, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.